Hey everyone, welcome back to SearchByDua. In the last video, I shared how understanding the Google diversity algorithm helps you align your strategy with what already ranks. But today, we are going deeper. Let's talk about something even more critical for service-based businesses, and that is the local visibility algorithm and how you can align your strategy with user search intent. If your business offers services, whether locally or nationally, this is the algorithm that decides where and when you show up. And the truth is, most businesses are approaching it the wrong way. Let me start with something very important. If your business doesn't have physical location, no store, no office, no outlet, then optimizing your Google business profile won't help you much. And this is where a lot of people get stuck. They select a business category, post updates, and their name, address, and phone number, and then assume that they have done local SEO. But Google doesn't rank you based on how many profile boxes you have filled out. It ranks you based on signals. And there are three key signals that control the local visibility algorithm. First is proximity. This is about how physically close your business location is to the person searching. Let's say you're offering AC repair services in a specific neighborhood, but your Google business profile lists your address in a different part of the city. Even though you serve that area, your listing won't show up because, according to Google, you are not nearby. That's how proximity works. So, your business area must be in that location where you are giving services. Second is reviews. And not just the number of reviews, Google looks deeper than that. It looks at sentiments. Like, are the reviews positive, clear, and detailed? Are they genuine, or do they look forced or repeated? Are there negative reviews? And more importantly, how are you responding to them? A business with 10 thoughtful, balanced reviews, both positive and critical, will often perform better than one with 100 short, walk 5-star ratings. Google understands the tone and intent of a review. So if customers are consistently leaving honest feedback that mentions your services, your professionalism, your location, and even occasional issues that you have resolved, that creates trust. That's what the algorithm values. Third is brand dilution. This happens when your business name isn't unique or is being used by other businesses in the same market. Let me give you a clear example. Imagine your brand name is Profix Services and there are two other companies in your area with the same or very similar name, even if you aren't related to them. Now, Google has a harder time deciding which one is the real authority, and that confusion weakens your brand signals and lowers your visibility because the algorithm prefers businesses with a clear and distinct identity. So even if your business profile is fully optimized, you won't win visibility if you ignore these three things: proximity, reviews, and brand clarity. Now let's connect this with search intent because this is where strategy meets the algorithm. Before you decide what content to create or what to optimize, you need to understand what the user is actually searching for, and more importantly, how Google is understanding that search. So the best way to do this is by studying the search results. Pick your main keyword, search it, and observe. Ask yourself, is Google showing business profiles? Are you using websites, directories, or service pages? Is there an AI overview section? What kind of businesses are ranking? Are they closer to the user? Do they have strong reviews? Do they have a clear brand? All of this is the algorithm in action. The search results are a mirror of what Google is prioritizing. And the moment you start studying them, you are already inside the algorithm. So instead of guessing or blindly following checklists, you begin to understand what patterns Google is rewarding. And that's your roadmap. If you follow that pattern and align your business with what already ranks, your chances of visibility increase fast. You start showing up where your audience is actually looking. So here's the core of today's message. The local visibility algorithm isn't just about optimizing a profile, it's about aligning with real-world signals. Proximity, reviews, and brand clarity combined with deep research into search intent are what actually move the needle. Once you start thinking like the algorithm, everything becomes more strategic and less frustrating. And that's where real results begin. So thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, or share it with other business owners.